Okay, so let's get an F-14 Tomcat and go to somewhere to an airfield so that way we can. And right now we're contacting air traffic control. So we're gonna take off at the first runway. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take off at runway 9 and let's just go full speed and we're off the ground. So we're going to the Hentridge airfield, and there's a road runway, so it's gonna be kind of hard. So we're retracting the landing gear and we're going pretty fast, so we'll make a turnaround really quick. And yeah, that's all. So let's just do a turnaround and let's just get the land speed. Okay, make sure that we don't stall, so that way we can have a butter landing. Going to land, and can we do butter? Oh, that was butter. Okay, guys, so anyways, let's just put it inside a hanger so that way it doesn't get wet or anything. So, and let's just put some fuel in it too while we pass by. Okay, we have arrived at the hangars. Let's just get some fuel right now. Go, and there we go. Okay, now let's open the plane hangar and let's just put it inside. Okay, let's see if it can fit. Oh, I can't fit. Oh. Let me just fold the wings so that we can make it fit. There we go. And let's just park it correctly. Okay. And a little bit more. Yes. There we go. Now let's close it. Let's just check, okay? Let's just close it now. And I think that it will be good to go. And that's the end. See you in the next video. Bye.